Ooh, this is nice.
This is nice.
We're here at the Holiday Inn Express in Hays, Kansas. We're staying here tonight, and then we're going to be on our way tomorrow morning. But in the meantime, we're going to show you what this hotel is like and give you our thoughts. A kitchenette area here with a microwave, a sink, and a fridge. On the other side, we've got a closet area. Coming in here, we've got a little seating area with a table and 2 chairs. We've got this couch that turns into a bed. And of course, we have these other beds here. 2 beds, another desk to work at, place to put your luggage, and then a TV. I got the bathroom. Is the tub and shower. You and Caegan? Caegan, are you okay with that?
No.
Okay, Caegan, he would rather sleep on the floor.
No.
What do you guys think?
Very nice. Very nice.
It's very good.
What?
You're coming down.
Of course I'm coming out. So the question is Pac-Man really a pizza?
Is he?
Just with cheese? Is he just a cheese pizza?
Is he, guys? No. Today I am gonna entertain you. Santa.
King home. It's a business center. So it's not open yet. It's 7 o'clock. You're gonna have to come back. Did you have a good night's sleep?
Yeah.
Feel rested, ready for the day?
I feel tired.
All right, Caegan, so what do you think of this hotel?
It is awesome.
Would you stay here again?
Yes.
What's your favorite part?
I would have to say the room.
The room? You really like the room?
Yeah, because the pool is good, kinda. It's big, yeah. But there's tons of people in it.
Yeah.
It's small.
It's a very popular hotel. Are we ready to go on the next adventure?
Yeah.
All right, we'll see you next time.
Bye.
Be sure to check out our other videos here.